Alright guys, Jay Woods here at KTAuthentics Sports Memorabilia and Cards. We're going to do a box of 15 contenders for Fitch123. So Truffle, let me know if that, nope, no Dynasty, guys. We are all sold out of Dynasty. So... Dynasty. What's going on? Special and J.C. Miley. Lisa, were you in the room when we opened the first 5 boxes of this case? Okay. Nothing massive came out. None of the big 4. We had a cracked ice Tyler Croft, a printing plate auto of Michael, the guy on the Vikings that spells his name M-Y-C-O-L-E, and we had a Yeldon College Variation championship ticket out of 25. That was the best. So. So Fitch is chasing a bit. I do have another case behind this too, guys, so. How's it going, J.C. Miley? Good luck, man. Let's pull some heat out of this case. This case needs to warm up. And we got Gates and Rivers. Levi Norwood. This is the variation, as it has the team logo. Variation, Levi Norwood. Uh-oh. What'd you get, Lisa? And Odell Beckham. Oh, Fitch, do you just want the inserts and above no vet base, right? Nick O'Leary. You got some crazy Stephon Diggs cards from Immaculate. Did you guys put the laces up on eBay, Lisa? Tony Romo. Doing well. We need this case of contenders to heat up, though. Doron Grant. I'll have to look for it and put it on my watch list. Doron Grant. Thurman Thomas. Andrew Luck. Auto of the year right here, Jalen Collins. Jalen Collins. What is in this case? What is in these last boxes? Julio Jones. Championship ticket at a 99. Antonio Gates, 63 of 99. There we go. There we go. That's real nice. Thomas Rawls. Thomas Rawls base autograph. Very nice, Fitch. It's a good one. Only his second autograph, I believe. He was in Crown and this, I believe that's it. Gronkowski. Rookie of the Year contenders, David Cobb. Parker Perryman, round numbers. Williams. And nice. Be shiny. Variation. Tyler Lockett. Okay, starting to heat up. Rawls and Lockett in the same box. This is the first Tyler Lockett we've hit. Very first Tyler Lockett we have hit. And that was your last auto, Fitch. Congrats, man. All right, Fitch.